Hi, and welcome to Wageningen University Research. Today and throughout the rest of the week, I'll be taking you on a tour of our university. Today, you'll be seeing multiple places on our campus, but the rest of the week, you'll be getting a different kind of tour. This will be a tour of all the courses offered here at Wageningen University and their learning styles. All the videos you'll be watching are going to be between 6 and 12 minutes long, and you'll get to see all the courses in action. And there'll even be interviews with professors, students, and experts sprinkled in. The main purpose of this lecture week is to highlight certain learning styles. Unfortunately, this means that we can't highlight every single style associated with every single course, especially because many of the courses have some sort of lecture component attached, which makes it difficult to split them up into categories. The majority of courses offered here at Wageningen have multiple learning styles. The structure of the videos depends on what we're trying to convey about the course. Some of the videos might cover a single day in the course, and others might cover a longer period of time. And we'll be learning along with the students, and who knows, maybe you'll even learn something new. The aim of this lecture week is to bring as many different experiences about Wageningen to prospective students like you. So we just want to give you the experience that you could have if you came for the Student for the Day program without having to set a single foot on campus. From these videos, you will walk away with a better understanding and a lot of excitement about what Wageningen can offer you. So sit back, relax, and let me guide you on through lecture week.